if you are trying to learn English, watch this first. Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. If you are someone trying to learn English, you must watch this video. If you are stuck, struggling, or just tired, you don't see any improvements, then this video is exactly what you need to hear right now. Let's get real about what's holding you back. First, let me say this. It's not your fault. Learning a language is hard. It takes courage, consistency, and a lot of patience. But if you have been stuck for weeks or months or years, I want you to ask yourself honestly. Are you waiting for the perfect time to start? Are you only watching English content but not using it? Are you afraid to make mistakes? If you said yes to any of these, then this video is just for you. No time. I have a job. I have to look after the children. I need to cook. I am a student. A lot of people say this sentence, I don't have time. Let's fix that. Everyone says this, I don't have time. But here's the truth. We don't need hours. We need habits. I'll tell you some little tricks that can help you practice English without wasting your time. You can practice English while brushing your teeth. Just describe your morning or just tell about your morning routine, or you can say what you're doing right now. I'm brushing my teeth, I'm looking in the mirror and brushing my teeth, I am opening the tap, I'm taking some water. Try to create simple sentences while you're brushing your teeth. Just tell about your morning routine, just talk about your morning. While cooking, name the steps out loud in English. For example, I'm pouring the milk to the saucepan, I'm cutting the onions, I'm chopping the vegetables, I am adding sugar, I need 1 teaspoon of sugar, let me clean the dishes. Like that, name the steps out loud in English while you're cooking or working in the kitchen. Now, when you're walking, you can also repeat a sentence in your mind or out loud. When you're walking to your office or you're just taking your evening walk, try to repeat a sentence. Learn a new sentence and try to repeat it when you're walking. You just need 10 minutes a day. 10 minutes a day, every day is better than 1 hour once a week. You can simply learn English by following these techniques. You don't have to spend extra time to learn English. You can learn English when you're doing your other activities. Today, talk to yourself in English at least for 2 minutes when you're cooking or brushing or walking or even cleaning or any activity. When you are doing any other activity, try to talk to yourself in English. No one's watching, it's just you. You are practicing your English. You are helping your brain to think in English. No one to talk to. You can still practice your English. So I get a lot of comments, people asking, can someone help me practice English? Can someone speak with me in English? Can we have a conversation? You can actually practice English without anyone's help. You can be your speaking partner. Stand in front of the mirror and talk about any random topic or anything. Just talk about something in front of the mirror. This builds fluency and confidence. Also, when you're speaking, try to record it. Record it and listen to it again. This time, you can find out your mistakes by this technique and you can improve fast. In the initial stages, it will be a bit difficult to listen to your own voice and finding out the mistakes, but when you make this a habit, it will be very easy for you. You can track down your problems. Where you are going wrong. Is it vocabulary? Is it grammar? Which part of grammar? Is it the past tense, the present tense, or future tense, is, are, am? Which part of the grammar you need to improve, or is it vocabulary? You can find every mistake when you try recording your voice. And if you need someone to speak to, you can take the help of any language partners, or you can use free apps, or with the help of AI, you can practice your English. Speaking is not a luxury, it's a habit. You know what? Thinking in English starts with speaking in English, even if you're just speaking to yourself. No motivation. That's normal. Motivation is not a magic. It's like a battery. It dies if you don't recharge it. Also, don't rely on motivation. Rely on action. Motivation comes after action. I'll give you a little example. Okay, now think about me taking the YouTube videos. I wasn't motivated in the initial stages because I did not get a lot of followers, no much subscribers, and no one usually watches my video. I just got 10 views, 15 views, 20 views in the initial stages, but I did not stop there, and that was not any motivation. That was, actually I was sitting at home. I did not had any job. I want to keep myself busy, and I started continuing posting the videos because I did not had any other work. I did the action. I became motivated from the comments that you people give me, from the way people appreciate me for the work I do. I just started this YouTube channel for a fun, but then I became serious. Initially I was not so interested in making videos. I wanted to make it, but I did not care about it much. But now, after these many days, I wanted all my subscribers to get benefits by watching my video. I want each one of you excel in English watching my English videos. So I started working on it. So that's what I want to tell you. Motivation comes after action. When you get a lot of positive comments and positive reviews from people around you, you will feel motivated. So to feel motivated, you need to do that action. You need to start speaking in English. You can keep a mini goal. For example, I will learn one phrase in English today, and I will also use it the whole day. Try to track your progress. Check your day 1 and day 30. See the progress. Enjoy the little progress. Celebrate your efforts, not just the results. The effort that you are putting, celebrate those efforts too. Tell yourself this every day. I am not perfect. I am improving, and that's enough. Procrastination, the silent killer. I will do it tomorrow. You know what procrastination means? I think I will post this video tomorrow. I'm not interested in editing it today. I think I will call her tomorrow. I will learn the new chapter tomorrow. I will start speaking English tomorrow. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. And that tomorrow becomes never. And you know it. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait to finish 100 lessons. Don't wait to feel confident. Start speaking right away. Just say one sentence right now. What did you eat today? Say it in English right now. No excuses. Say it now. You know what? Done is better than perfect. Start messy, but start now. Passive learning is equal to no progress. Watching videos, listening to podcasts, reading newspaper, that's great, but it's not enough. Okay, I'll give you an example. Passive learning is just like sitting and watching people exercising and expecting to get fit. You know what? You must speak out loud. Write your own sentences. Repeat and shadow what you hear. Test yourself with questions. If you don't use English actively, your brain won't remember it. I'll give you an example. You watched a video, you found a new phrase. I'm not sure about that. Learn that phrase and use it. Say, I'm not sure about going out today. I'm not sure if it will rain today. That's how you learn, not by just listening to it, by using it. Confidence comes from repetition, not perfection. If you are afraid to speak because you feel your English is not good enough, let me tell you this. Fluent English speakers also make mistakes. You don't need the perfect grammar to speak English. You just need confidence and clarity. Confidence doesn't come first. Practice does. Confidence is the result of doing it over and over again. Even when you're nervous. If you do it even when you're nervous, confidence will just come on its own. Your English is actually better than you think. You just haven't practiced enough to feel confident yet. You can do this. Don't compare your journey to others. You are building your fluency one word at a time. Every sentence you say in English is a victory. Every time you don't give up, you are winning. So here's your new rule. No more waiting, no more fear, no more saying one day. Today is day 1. If you are ready to take control of your English learning journey, drop a comment right now. I am starting today. I'll reply to you and we will do this together. So guys, this is all for today. I hope this video was helpful for all of you. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.